What's up, guys? Scott Patterson here, coming to you from my Total Life Happiness channel. Now, I just want to share a little project that I just did literally overnight, and I promoted some solo ads to this product here. So, Legendary Marketer is my vehicle of choice. The reason why I like this vehicle is they have a value ladder. So what that means, a value ladder is you come in as an entry point, like low cost, and then as you go through training, then you get offered higher ticket products down the track, which is probably the best way to make money online. Also, it's an awesome company, and they've got some brilliant training, so there's so much information there. And basically, if you chose to go with these guys, they'd probably be the last company you'll ever invest in as far as shiny object syndrome. You know, people are, every time you turn around, you try something a little bit and you don't really follow through with it, you don't get any results, so you move on to the next one, to the next one, to the next one. But I'm telling you, if you decide to go with these guys and go all in, like get serious and invest in yourself, then you'll get some results. And I'm here to help you. And the guys, like you get a business advisor as well to help you, take you through the course. I'll just show you quickly. This is what I would do if I was you. Go through their 15-day business challenge. So 15 days, you'll get pretty much schooled on everything you need to know about starting a business online. Now, these guys will teach you from their end, and then they do have further trainings. But from my end, I'm going to show you what I've done and what results I'm getting. See, when I first started online, you had to spend thousands and thousands. I've lost track of how much money I've spent. Over 100,000 easy, learning and educating myself in business. So, but people give you, and there's a lot of charlatans, but these guys are the real deal. I found them to be very transparent and ethical, and someone I'm happy to do business with. So, but yeah, basically, in the past, you buy a course, that's it. No support, see you later, and no one cares. Thanks for your money, and off to Hawaii they go. So now, I'm very wary, obviously, yes, like, especially if this is your first adventure into the online marketing world. People are making millions and millions and millions of dollars online. And this company is worth about 270 million was the last I checked up on. So they're going to be around a while. They're not going to disappear overnight. But anyway, I'll just quickly go through. This is the 15-day challenge instead of waffling on. Day one, the number one secret to building a high-ticket, high-profit business online. Just this video alone, it gave so much value, so much value. It cost $7 to do this course. And it's brilliant. It's pretty much, I went to uni, and I reckon I've learned more in the 15 days than I did 3 years bambling around at university. And cost a whole lot less too. University, what's a degree now? I live in Australia, and we pay anywhere up to $100,000 for a degree. It doesn't guarantee a job. But yeah, this is a really thorough education for $7. You can't go wrong. But anyway, that's day one. Day two is the core four. So the top high ticket business models online. So they explain and these guys go in the back end as well. So they show you results from how you actually make your money. And that's awesome training. Day three is 30 minutes. Takes you 30 minutes to set up a business online. So they'll take you through like basically step by step, take you by the hand, and as long as you follow the training through, you're done at the end of 30 minutes. You've got your business up and running, and then all you have to do is generate traffic to it. And I will show you how to do that. And they show you too, but I'm showing you with the results that I'm getting, so you can see. And I've tested a lot of different traffic getting methods, and I'll show you the best one that I reckon to start with anyway. And then day 4 is how to master the inner game of wealth. So it's just more mindset stuff, but it all starts with you and your beliefs. So if you don't believe that you can make money online, you're right. Does that make sense? So if you think you can't do it, you can't. You won't ever do it. But if you believe you can, and you're willing to give it 100% effort, not just dabble and say, oh, I'll try this, and if it doesn't work, then I'll blame Scott because he's an idiot. You have to commit wholeheartedly, like burn the bridges. Just get into it. It costs money if you want to grow your business through this method, so you need an investment. But yeah, it's all starts with your mindset. So jump in all in, and I'll do my very best to help you get where you want to go with success. And day 5, this is where they build a business plan. It's a fairly big day, so but it's well worth it. So any business, you need a business plan. Then day 6, I think it's just answering questions. Day 7, when should I quit my day job? I quit my job to build my business online. So that's a good video. But anyway, you get the idea. It's and you can pretty much, I think the first 5 days you do one at a time, and they're not huge videos, like 15-minute videos, so you can fit it in, and you just go one day at a time. Anyway, I'm waffling on. What I want to show you today was I did a test last night. I bought some solo ads. Now this is a company called Udemy, and I'll put a link underneath this video so you can check it out. I use this fella here, and basically looking for tier 1 traffic and affordable traffic. I think he's about 45 cents a visitor, and 19% of the people who have bought his traffic have said they made sales, and I'm one of them. So, and I'll show those results in a second. So I haven't finished. I bought 500 clicks. So what's that? $250, something like that. And I'll show you in a second the results I got. So, and it was really quick, like 2 hours. He ain't kidding. So it was up and running. Bang. I bought solo ads, other people, which can take a couple of days. So, but it's bang on. So, highly recommend this guy at the moment. I'm going to run it again, give a couple of days, and I'll see the second results, see if they're the same. But highly recommend at the moment. That's super duper. And you can spend, I think it's up to $1,000, depending on what your budget is. You can drop it right down if you want. That's 300 visitors for 153. So that's US as well. So work out your conversions. But I bought through 500 just as a test, 253. It's not a huge investment, but still. But if you're serious, you need to invest money in your business. And if you want to do it, the reason I'm buying traffic is you get a result quicker. So I've got 2 other methods. Well, I've got quite a few, but they're all slow methods. And there's not a whole lot of work to do once I've set them up. But my main traffic strategy is I've got a paid strategy. So I'm using solo ads at the moment. I've tested YouTube traffic, got some sales, but nothing like this. So this is think of it this way, this is his list. So he's recommending to his trusted database of clients that when you pay him to run an ad, he's already built that rapport and trust with his customers. So they trust him. So they're more likely to buy from them rather than just some random ad, either Facebook or YouTube or Google or whatever. So there's a lot more rapport, and like pretty much this is pretty, well, it's not warm, but it's not cold traffic. So they already know him, they trust him. That's what I'm trying to say. But anyway, and get you the results quicker. Some other strategies, our YouTube channel, which is how you found this video. That's my slow, long-term investment, because once you got traffic built up, and I'm getting traffic, and traffic's growing from there, but it takes time and dedication to get that happening. But once it's up and running, it's free traffic. So ideally, yes, I want free traffic, because then your costs, you're making better profit. Your overheads are much lower. So at the moment, but to get started and to get some results, I'm just going to pay a few places and do some tests and show you. So anyway, he's halfway through his delivery, so I think about 60-something% of the delivery. So the whole 500 visitors haven't been delivered yet, but I'll show you in my ClickFunnels. Okay, I'll show you just quickly. So that traffic goes through to a funnel that I've set up, and this is my funnel. It's very simple, very basic, and this is set up through Legendary Marketer. So they actually give you this. See, that is not me. All right, that's my funnel, and Legendary guys give you this to start with, and you connect this to ClickFunnels, and ClickFunnels is like the delivery to capture your leads. So it goes from here through to here, and then gives you a free video, which is some training. Anyone wants to start an online business but doesn't know where to begin. So it's a good headline. People put their details in, sends a free video, and then gives them some options if they want to purchase some products. So from there, it goes to ClickFunnels. I'll show you my back end and the results that I'm getting so far. So that's the funnel there that you can see. Go to my stats, and opt in. All right, I've had 600. I ran another test of 200 people a couple of weeks ago from another traffic source. And I've got opt-ins, but I didn't get any sales. So I think I picked up 50-something opt-ins, which is okay, because the beauty too that I like is once you've got them in your database, then you can sell to them. Like, you don't lose them. So you can sell them down the line. And that's where you actually generate your long-term money. Because what happens, usually this front-end offer, if you get some sales, pays for either the advertising cost or a good chunk of it up front. Then you get yourself some leads, and then you promote to them later, till the end of the time. I think on the Wolf of Wall Street, if you've ever seen that, where they talk about contacting their clients, and they say you contact them until they buy or die. That's their general, which is made me laugh. But anyway, it was pretty hardcore, but very successful in sales. So there's a lot of takeaways from that movie if you really sit down and study it. It's fascinating. Like nudity too. But anyway, I digress. So we've got traffic's come through there. Uniques. The difference here, this is all traffic. Uniques is actual individual people. So but basically what that's saying is some people come back and had a second look. So, but absolutely unique numbers, 523. totally new eyeballs, which is very good. And then 124 of them have clicked through, which is a 23.71% opt-in rate, which is okay, which is all right. I'm happy with that. So now from there, the ones who clicked onto there have gone through to Legendary Marketer. So that's the challenge there that I spoke to you about before. If I click into my affiliates back-end office, there's Dave doing his thing. And if I go into reports, scroll down, we'll see what happened. So to the back end, I have 239 have come through hits. We've had 37 leads. So 37 leads have opted in because they've got to opt in to get the video. There's another opt-in page. And then out of that, we've got 3 customers, which is okay. That's halfway through. So, and I'll explain what that is. So far, commissions, $27. So that's US. So what's that, about 30, 40 bucks Australian. And what we've had is a couple of ups. Like this is the Business Builder Challenge. So I've had 3 people buy that, and then they have a couple of upsells to offer you other things if you want to buy them. Some take them, some don't. But it all adds up. So that is it so far. So that's I'm very happy with that result. So I'll keep you posted as to how it goes down the track. But very cool. And if you've got value out of this video, then definitely subscribe to my channel, because I'm just doing more and more content like this because people want it. And I know it was something that I was never offered when I started out. So I just want to make sure that you guys get a result. I'm showing that I'm getting a result, and then we can all grow together. That's it. So subscribe, hit the notifications bell so you get future videos. And thanks for watching, and looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Cheers.